Hello, my name is Brennan and I'm Highlander from Scotland. I'd like to show you some details that are hard to catch on the photos. I'm a little sad boy because I'm waiting for my new mom quite long. As you can see, I've got gorgeous hand-painted glass eyes and brown needle felted nose. My fur is light beige with delicate brown tips. Let me tell you something about my outfit. I'm wearing traditional Scottish hat made of tartar and decorated with pom-pom. I also wear skirt. It's kilt in Scotland, and the scarf. The scarf is pinned, as you can see, and I also have a very small felt bag on a chain around my belly. My feet and my paws are made of cream fleece. Furthermore, my feet are shaped with thread and delicately shaded. I'm fully jointed, of course, and I can easily move my head, my arms and my legs, which is hard to show when my mom has only one hand at the moment. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Where's my mom?